Okay, good morning, student, once again. So let us again continue with whatever left out, okay? So I don't know, I was like thinking of teaching the hypertensive associated or pregnancy associated renal disease also, but I don't know whether the time will remain or not. I will see. If not, I will teach tomorrow. So where were we? What were our last topic that we have discussed?
Neuromuscular.
Okay, in neuromuscular, Samuel, what were the clinical manifestation?
Fatigue, sleep disorder, headache, lethargic,
And
seizure.
then, okay, Caesar. So whom did I ask? What was the other name of Caesar? Okay, let me ask someone else. Let me ask Senkamchi. Senkamchi, what is the other name of Caesar? Say fast.
Ma'am, shivering.
No, the other name. The meaning is correct. Okay, there. Not severing. No, it's not severing. Caesar. The meaning of Caesar. Just tell me the meaning, okay?
I forgot. I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Finisha, can you please explain for Senkamji what is Caesar? Please help her.
Convulsion.
Okay, Senkamji, the other name of Caesar is convulsion, okay? Convulsion, convulsion. So Samuel, can you please tell me now what is the meaning of convulsion? कैसा होता है? Caesar.
Abnormal shaking.
Okay, abnormal shaking. There will
Abnormally shaking.
Yes, okay, good. So there will be abnormal shaking of your body movement, okay? There will be, your head might move abnormally, your hand might move abnormally, your leg might move abnormally, or the whole part of your body might move abnormally, okay? Or might means it shake abnormally. So usko bolte hai seizure, or you can also simply call it as convulsion. Dono ka meaning same hai. Okay, so let's come to the next point. So what is the next point? Psychological function, na? So psychological function.
Psychosocial function.
Psychosocial function. So there will be personality and behavioral changes. So these are the signs and symptoms you will find. So we have discussed the 8 signs and symptoms, na? 8 points of the sign and symptoms that comes under like chronic kidney disease. These are very, very important. Or aajkal to, like nowadays, now what happened is that this kidney problem, kidney disease, these are very common, okay? Like, and then this talking about this chronic, because there are nowadays so many people who smoke, who drink lots of alcohol, na? So what happened is that we mainly find this chronic kidney disease. So that is why, like, you have to know the causes, you have to know the signs and symptoms, so that you can help in, like, you can give health educations to other also, na? So coming to the next is diagnostic evaluation. If someone have chronic kidney disease, how can you diagnose? Kaise diagnose karoge? So the first diagnostic is CBC. So what is the full form of CBC? Nafishisa, what is the full form of CBC?
Ma'am, complete blood count.
Very good. So many blood tests are there, okay? There are so many blood tests that you can like perform, but out of all those blood tests, CBC, that is complete blood count, okay? This is the name of the test, okay? Complete blood count. Uske liye alag sa vial hota hai, because for blood test na, blood test karne ke liye alag sa vial hota hai. So for complete CBC, there is also another vial, okay? So this CBC is mainly done, okay? CBC is mainly done to check whether there is the presence of anemia, all these things. So, and the other one is diagnostic evaluation. This is serum creatinine is also being checked, okay? Whether there is elevated serum creatinine or not, blood, urea, nitrogen elevate ho raha hai kya, phosphorus, potassium, all this normal value मैंने दे दिया. Elevate कैसा होता है ज्यादा होने से, all these things ना, blood, urea, nitrogen, all this potassium मैंने सब normal value दे दिया. तब किसी का report देखने से direct पता चलेगा. When you see someone report ना, you will be able to like tell him or her that his report is normal or there is any abnormality, because you already have the normal value in your hand, right? Or just keep it in your mind, put in your knowledge. So with that, you can assess whether someone have chronic kidney disease or not. There will be decreased serum calcium. So if there is any decreased serum calcium or not, bicarbonate, if there is like decreased protein, especially albumin, okay, or sodium, all these things. With this, if someone has decreased serum, all these decreased level decreased level in all this category, okay, then what will happen is that you can diagnose that you or she have this CKD. And ABG का full form क्या है Malvina? ABG
Ma'am,
ABG.
ma'am, arterial blood gas.
Yes, arterial blood gas. Okay, very good. So blood, हमारा जो blood है ना, the blood is draw through vein का थ्रू से ब्लड ड्रॉ करते हैं, as well as it is also draw with in our artery, okay, artery से भी लेते हैं. तो in case of CKD, okay, chronic kidney disease, the blood is draw from the vein, as well as in order to make it more clear, the blood is also taken from the artery, that is which we call it as arterial blood gas, okay. So here the level is being checked, the blood level is being checked, whether there is a low blood pH or not, low carbon dioxide, low bicarbonate, all these are being assessed. So there is also like another diagnostic criteria which I have given you all, So chronic kidney disease, okay, जो chronic kidney disease है ना, वो it can also be diagnosed, okay, just by observation, okay, just by observation of a combination of symptoms and elevated BUN or creatinine level. जो अभी मैंने जितना भी diagnostic evaluation का बारे में discuss किया ना, whatever diagnostic evaluation I have discussed now, beside that you can also diagnose, okay, that whether someone have chronic kidney disease or not by just observing, just देख के, उसको just देख के, observe करके, just by observing that whether he have all those kinds of symptoms or not. We have discussed the symptom system wise, like cardio, all these respiratory, all those metabolic and endocrine, all those symptoms. If someone have all those symptoms in him or her, okay, then you can directly diagnose. Okay, and then also by observing that whether he have elevated blood urea nitrogen value or not, whether his creatinine level is high or not, but just by observing that you can diagnose it. So there are some following abnormalities you can find, okay, you can find in the blood that will signify that someone have chronic renal failure. तो blood में क्या क्या abnormalities हो सकता है? Let us see. There will be anemia. That is anemia का मतलब है low red blood cell count. Okay, there will be low level of RBC. And next is hypokalemia. So what is hypokalemia, Finisha? If no idea, I'll pass Shelly.
Low blood level of calcium.
Low blood level of calcium. Okay, so hypocalcemia. So all of you write down if you haven't written yet. Low hypocalcemia, नाम से ही पता चलता है hypocalcemia ना. Hypo का मतलब low, hyper का मतलब high. So if it is touched with calcium, so it will be low blood level of calcium. And then the other one is hyperphosphatemia. So what is hyperphosphatemia? Darshana, what is hyperphosphatemia?
High blood level of potassium. Phosphorus, sorry.
Yeah, don't get confused. Phosphatemia. Okay, so uska matlab high level of phosphorus in blood. That is known as hyperphosphatemia. So if you find anemia, if you find high level of calcium in the blood, if you find high level of phosphorus in the blood, you can diagnose that someone have chronic kidney disease. And then there is also another one, hyperkalemia. Rashmi, hyperkalemia का मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am, high level of potassium.
Yes, kalemia. So I already give you all like the symbol of all these elements. ये जो sodium, potassium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, ये सब they call it as elements. Okay, I explained in my offline class, but I'm repeating again. They call it as elements. ELEMENTS. Elements बोला जाता है. So in class 10, you got all this in the periodic table. ना periodic table था ना, उसमें हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, बहुत सारा था. All those, and those are known as elements. So how calcium, it is denoted as Ca, right? मैंने blackboard में भी लिखा था. It is denoted as Ca. और जो क्या phosphorus था, it is denoted as P ना. So and then जो hyperkalemia. So kalemia. So kalemia is, it is, Rashmi said it is high blood level of potassium, right? So see, don't think like that it is kalemia. So the symbol will be kalemia. The symbol, yes, it is a potassium, it will be P. It's not like that. Potassium जो है ना, उसका symbol है K positive, K plus, K positive. That is why it is known as hyperkalemia. So K, it start with K na. So you have already written all these things. So Rashmi, can you please tell me again what is hyponatremia? Hyponatremia.
Low level of sodium.
Okay, very good. So Senkamchi, what is the symbol of sodium? The symbol of potassium is K plus. What is the symbol of sodium? If you don't know, I'll pass the question to Divyajit. Sodium. Sodium is denoted by what symbol? Senkamchi. Okay, Divyajit, can you please tell me? Divyajit? If you don't know, I'll again pass to Bhabakla. Yes, yes, Divyajit, say.
Na.
Okay, Na, it's Na positive.
Na.
Yes, Na positive, okay, Na positive. Because why this positive used to be there, all these are the metals, okay. Periodic table tha class 10 में. Metals or non-metals, अलग-अलग से divide होता है. So these are metals. So in, have you ever heard the term chloride? Chloride, have you heard the term chloride?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so chloride, what is the symbol of chloride? Can anyone tell me what is the symbol of chloride? Anyone?
Ma'am,
What, pardon? Say loudly, Srijana, say loudly.
ma'am, Cl.
Cl, right? Okay, Samuel, what is the symbol of chlorine? Cl, okay, it is Cl, but is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Yeah, okay, Srijana, it's negative. Okay, so why it is negative? Because they have the capability to this accept electron, okay? That is why it is negative. So all these things also, like, you should know, because like metals, non-metals, the metals say all the metals we write as Na positive, K positive, Ca positive, or like this we used to write Mg. Magnesium also we write Mg positive, or all the non-metals we write it as Cl negative, fluorine F negative, all this we write like this. Even the iron is a metal, so we used to write Fe positive, right? Like that. It is how it is being written. So in hyponatremia, it is the low level of blood of sodium, okay? And there can also be, like, you can diagnose with, if there is a low blood level of bicarbonate, and if there is a low plasma, that is pH, okay, that is blood acidity. So if the pH of blood plasma is low, then in that also you can diagnose. So what is the formula of bicarbonate? Because there will be low blood level of bicarbonate, right? So what is the formula of bicarbonate? I already gave you all. Just batao to. Any one of you, bicarbonate, see or notes? Nafishisa, please tell me. If not, I'll ask Ishan.
Ma'am, don't know.
Bicarbonate. I think I gave you all bicarbonate. Anyone? Ishan, bicarbonate?
Ma'am,
Yeah, say.
ma'am, pardon.
What is the formula of bicarbonate?
Ma'am, ACO3.
Very good. HCO3. See, I have given you all. That's why Ishan could give the answer. So write down those who haven't written yet. HCO3 is the formula of bicarbonate. Okay. So अगर किसी का रिपोर्ट में हॉस्पिटल में अगर किसी का रिपोर्ट में शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा ACO3 तो कैसे पता चलेगा? In some hospital they used to write it in a short form ACO3 like this. So once you see the formula, you should have capability, okay, to direct know that, oh, this is bicarbonate. So all of you, are you clear the formula of bicarbonate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that was all about the diagnostic evaluation. So after diagnostic evaluation, what you have written?
And pathophysiology.
Okay, pathophysiology of chronic renal failure. Na? So pathophysiology of chronic renal failure, it take one class, okay, for this, which I have already explained you all for this very nicely. I have explained this chronic. It take one day, one class to explain only this, because it is very much like what to say, very much long process. So I have explained to you all this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. So if you still have any doubts, na, I already upload the video also. I have written the topic, na, so you can check in your portal and you can like go and listen again one more time, just before your exam. Before exam ka aage na, मैंने जितना भी class upload किया ना, if you have doubts, you keep on going and listening there. It will be very helpful for you all. So, and I always keep on saying na, don't just try to pass, okay? बस pass mark मिलके करने का कोशिश मत करो, because you are diploma. In future, if you want to study for bachelor, BSc in dialysis, and if you get opportunity for lateral entry to direct join in your third semester, if they look based on your performance, based on your internal mark, based on your all this, because they will take merit basis, na, सबको opportunity नहीं मिलता. So don't just try to pass in good percentage. अगर अच्छा percentage मिलोगी, so like no one can defeat you. The place is yours. So there is, for those students who get good percentage, there is always a shortcut entry for them. बहुत ज़्यादा placement के लिए भी future में, after you complete this your studies na, they will check all your these documents from your 10, from your 12, or from your diploma, from your this bachelor, everything they used to assess there. Based on that, you might get direct placement also if you are fortunate. That's why I always keep on mentioning thinking about your future so that you become something in life. So सिर्फ पास होने का कोशिश मत करो, हाँ, or have knowledge also, and that will help you in cracking the interviews and also many things. So okay, leave all those topic. That is the let's come to the management part. Okay, so management was the most interesting. So the treatment of chronic renal failure, okay, it may include dietary therapy such as low protein diet, okay, such as low protein diet. So here low protein diet to limit the accumulation of end product. There is end product का मतलब है waste product, okay, जो waste product था, that is end product. So the treatment of chronic renal failure, it may include dietary therapy. That is, you should have low intake of protein, okay, in your diet, okay. And if low intake of protein in the diet can help you to limit the accumulation of end product of protein, okay, protein metabolism, okay. And then the other one is hyperkalemia, right? Hyperkalemia. So to treat hyperkalemia and fluid imbalance, dialysis may be performed. So what was the definition of dialysis? Anyone can tell me nicely? I have given very nicely dialysis ka definition. I think in acute renal failure or what something I gave very nicely dialysis. Dialysis. Ishan, tell me what is dialysis? I already gave you.
Ma'am,
Process, something I gave like that.
if the patient, the kidney does not respond to treatment and adequate kidney function does not
Yes.
return, they will need to undergo dialysis.
Okay, very good.
Dialysis is a process used to remove.
Say.
Mm,
When your kidney doesn't
Dialysis is a
function, right?
process used to. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ishan, thank you. Very good. That means you were like concentrating in the class. It means, okay, so dialysis is very simple. The definition that I gave, that one, it will come in the exam. Definition dungi. So this is a definition of what you need to choose the option. So for that, you need to know, okay? And then, so it is mainly simply, you can call it, jab hamara kidney function nahi hote, so we go on this dialysis. And especially this chronic kidney disease ना, chronic का मतलब क्या है, kidney जब पूरी तरह डैमेज हो जाता है ना, when our kidney is totally damaged, at that time we undergo this dialysis. So dialysis would be the most preferable like management or the treatment for chronic renal disease. And if dialysis doesn't work anymore, then what was the next step? Finisha?
Kidney transplant.
Very good. Samuel? Do you think what Finisha said is correct? I told her it's correct, but do you think, do you accept, agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Surgery.
kidney, okay, there is kidney transplantation. Okay, so there are some drug. Okay, when there is so much excess accumulation of fluid in our body, we give some kind of drug. Okay, some kind of medication. So what were the name of those medications? जब excess accumulation हो जाता है ना, because the kidney is not functioning right, the kidney is not functioning properly, तो कहाँ पे वो fluid वगैरह कहाँ जाएगा, वो शरीर पे accumulate होता है. तो Samuel, can you please tell me what are those drugs that you need to suggest?
Ma'am, diuretic.
Yes, diuretic, very good.
Lasik.
Okay, diuretic. Okay, I will ask the example to Nafisisa. Nafisisa, what is the example of diuretics?
Elastics and furosemide.
Don't say Lasik and furosemide, okay? You say like this, furosemide, and the other name of furosemide is Lasik. Other name, okay? Okay, Nafisisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It is just the other name. It's just the other name. So, ऐसा नहीं है कि अलग-अलग word है. And the other one is cardiac glycoside, okay? The cardiac glycoside such as digoxin are used. So, digoxin, what is digoxin? I already gave you all the meaning. Digoxin, D-I-G-O-X-I-N. किसी को पता है तो unmute करके direct answer me. Digoxin. Digoxin. D-I-G-O-X-I-N. You don't know any. Srijana, what is digoxin? If you don't know, I'll ask Senkamchi.
Ma'am, these are medicines used to treat heart conditions.
Can you please say one more time?
Ma'am, these are the medication that is used to treat the heart conditions.
Heart? What did you say? Heart?
Heart condition.
Okay. Good. Okay. Digoxin, okay, these are the drug, okay, or these are the medicine which we call it is like a type of medicine which is also called cardiac glycoside, okay. It is mainly used to control some kind of any heart problem, okay. कुछ भी heart problem होने से जैसे कि अगर irregular heartbeats, irregular heartbeats का मतलब है arrhythmia, okay, that we call it arrhythmia. अगर किसी का irregular heartbeat हुआ or any kind of heart problem होने से they give this kind of medication, that is digoxin, digoxin, digoxin. Okay, let's move on. Next is like if someone feel like vomiting, okay, so if someone feel like vomiting, so what, nausea, vomiting, so what type of drug we need to suggest? Let me ask Surajit. If you can't, I'll ask Babok Lang. Hurry up, it will, all these are for your exam. It's 24, na? Today is what? Today is what day? 14, okay. Suraj, okay, Suraj, okay, no problem. Babok Lang, can you please tell me?
Antiemetic drugs.
Antiemetic drug, very good. So antiemetic drug, these are mainly given to reduce nausea or vomiting, okay? So if there is any gastric irritation, agar gastric ka kuch problem hai, to what type of drug we need to suggest? Famotidine, ranitidine, ये सब ranitidine, famotidine, ये सब daily life में भी बहुत common है, okay? If someone have gastric problem, or these drugs are being suggested or else it is given. So if someone have like, someone have constipation, okay? Constipation का मतलब क्या है? Trishna, what is constipation? If you don't know Trishna, I'll ask Rasmi. Trishna, constipation. Because constipation can also occur in chronic kidney disease, constipation. Okay, Rasmi, tell me. Okay, who will tell me who? Shelly, can you tell me what is constipation? If not, I'll ask to Virginia.
Ma'am, difficulty in passing stools.
Very good, Shelly. Constipation means difficulty in passing stool. A person cannot pass stool, okay? So that is known as constipation. So when someone have constipation, so we give it some like this methyl cellulose and all, okay? This methyl cellulose, these are the like medication that is mainly prescribed, okay? Methyl cellulose and all. And then when someone have like constipation, like even you can also perform some lifestyle changes, okay? वो फाइबर कंटेनिंग फूड ना, फाइबर कंटेनिंग फूड खाने के लिए बोलते हैं, बहुत सारा फाइबर कंटेनिंग फूड खाने को बोलते हैं. And in locally available site, like people mainly use papaya and all, na, all these things. Okay, next, for if there is any itching, okay, if there is any itching that accompanies chronic renal failure, na, अगर किसी का itching वगैरह हुआ तो what type of drug you need to suggest?
Antipyretics. Antipyretics.
Okay. Samuel, can you please tell me? If you don't know, I'll pass to Dibyajit.
Antipyretics.
Okay, good. So what were the name of the medication? The name of the medication are trimiprazine, all those things. Now, many things I give. All these things, don't forget, okay? And then next was that was all the medication part, okay? These are all the medical treatment that you can give if someone have chronic renal failure. और उसके बाद अगर medication भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, हाँ, if the medication is not working or else it is working, whatever it is. If someone chronic kidney disease is very much severe, then they can also undergo surgery. So surgery क्या करते हैं? Kidney transplantation. So they also perform kidney transplantation, and kidney transplantation is also known as renal transplantation, okay? So to perform this kidney transplantation, surgery is the procedure, okay, for curing the chronic kidney disease. So a kidney transplant is a surgical procedure in which a kidney is removed from person. So when you want to perform kidney transplantation, so someone have to provide you his or her kidney, so when when a kidney is removed from person, okay, suppose when a kidney is removed from a person, that is known as the donor, and then placed into the body of a person who is suffering from renal failure, that is the recipient. Joe, if Samuel is giving the his kidney to Shelly, then Samuel will be the donor. And if Shelly is the one receiving, and Shelly will be the recipient. Okay. So in this way, kidney transplantation is done. For this, all the blood tests, everything, whether the kidney are being like, how to say, whether the kidney can be accepted, the Samuel kidney can be accepted by Shelly or not, all this investigation, all these tests, they used to perform first. Okay, sub test karne ke baad, then only kidney transplantation is being performed. So, and then the complication of chronic kidney disease, because chronic kidney disease means what? The kidney is already damaged. Now, too much damage. Both the kidneys too much damage. So when the damage or the complication is very, very much severe, so the person cannot survive anymore. So the only thing that remains is death. So it can ultimately lead to death. So that is the that will be the complication for person suffering with chronic renal disease. क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा ना, उसका पूरा damage हो गया. So that is the process. So all of you, are you clear with the chronic kidney disease? For one more time, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's very
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, it's very, very interesting. So you will really like this chronic renal disease, chronic CKD, or else this CRD subject. Okay, once you understand everything. So it's very interesting, and this totally directly related to you all now, which course you are studying. There is dialysis. That's why you study very, very much properly, so that when you go to the next semester, then also this knowledge, this basic knowledge will help you, okay, to process or like to gain more knowledge or to understand more things in your future or in your upcoming semester. So who was taking attendance? Or Dibyajit, you were taking attendance, right? Dibyajit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please send this both the attendance in group. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If it happened that I will confirm by today evening. Okay. If it happened that tomorrow is the last class, then please, like all of you, even request your friend to attend all the class, because you never know. Now it might be the last time I'm interacting with you all for this semester. So. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And